you?
I'm doing FAM. FAM stands for fantastic, amazing, and marvelous combined.
I don't have time.
Did you see them fighting?
Who?
They were like Tom and Jerry, the two people in the front.
Yeah, we were talking about how that woman came in here. Oh!
He's claiming this is his money, but he doesn't even know how much it is.
I seem to find $100 just about every time.
Adriana, you sound kind of jealous.
Jealous of what?
All of this.
Oh, I don't want that. Trust me.
Okay. Now tell me what you see when you look here.
Am I gonna get laid off?
No, why
You
are
know
you
how many
saying
bills
this?
I have to pay?
Adriana, do you know anything about this?
Nope.
Since you've been sitting here the whole time?
Nope.
So sorry, sir. I mean,